Tomica World looks like a really fun planet. There's so many cool cars and trains racing around. Let's call David to explore with me. Welcome to Tomica World, David, the best rail and road system in the world.
This is great! Wow, look at this place! It's amazing! Cars and trains are everywhere! I wish I could live here, Mr. T. Look over there! An express is coming! Cars and trains are chasing each other. I think they're racing! Whoa! This is fun! Look over there! An express is coming! The cars are coming too! One after another!
Why don't we play in this wonderful world? Let's have a car race.
Okay, Mr. T. I'll defeat your car.
Don't lose.
Go, go!
So close.
Hey, I won!
Attention all units. Car thief spotted. Send police cars right away.
Oh, whoa! What's going on?
Oh no, where is he?
There he is. Hurry. Catch the thief.
Don't lose him! Hurry!
Hurry up.
Almost!
Get him.
That's the wrong way!
Yeah, they made
Got
it.
him.
They caught him.
Fire! Fire! Dispatch all fire engines.
Oh, whoa! Where's the fire?
Hurry up! There's a fire!
And here come the ambulances.
Hurry up! Come on, fire engines!
Yeah, hurry. Great! They're gonna rescue everybody.
Good.
Hooray! In Tomica World, trains and cars are always going somewhere important. There's always something happening. Wow! What's all that stuff?
What's making so much dust?
What's making all that?
Look! Dump truck!
And crane trucks.
Where are they going so fast?
To the construction site. They look really busy.
Cool! I love construction trucks. I wish I could drive one.
Cars and trucks are great in Tomica World, but the trains are also really cool. Do you want to see them?
Yeah, can't wait.
Look, over there. Different types of trains are running all around. Which one do you like?
That's a tough choice, Mr. T. I like them all. That's an Amtrak. It looks just like the real one. wish I could get on the real train.
And this one is a silver streak. Blue and silver. Isn't it cool? There are so many cool trains and cars in Tomica World.
This is so much fun. There's so many vehicles here.
Yes, motorized vehicles are really exciting, but that's not all there is in Tomica World. Look at these fun accessories that you can add and play with. This is a road and rail tunnel. This is a road turntable to change direction.
A train is coming. It's an express.
A taxi is also coming.
Watch out! It's going too fast.
Hey, taxi, be careful. Slow down.
The train is going too fast, too.
Oh, no!
Watch out!
Look out! I think they're going to crash. Whoa, that was close. Good thing they had the automatic crossing. We've seen so many exciting vehicles and accessories. I feel like playing now. Let's use our imagination. Let's connect rails and roads and try to extend sets.
All right.
Let's extend our large set. Connect rails and roads
And accessories. Okay, the tracks are ready for trains and cars.
Look, it became so big. Connecting and building is not all. There's a lot more fun to playing with Tomica World sets. Have you ever played with the IRC set?
Sure.
In the IRC set, you are really driving the train.
I can show you. Stop. Backwards. High speed.
It's a lot of fun, isn't it? Say, do you recognize that chug, chug, chug sound?
I had a great time. Thank you, Mr. T.
Well, I have to leave to explore other planets, but I'll be back soon. Tomica World is such an exciting planet, the best system in the universe. Stay cool.